is over now. Now we are going to use the ICT concept for binary trading. And here first I will explain a term, fair value gap. Then we will go to the shorts based upon the ICT concept. Friends, what is fair value gap? Here note, this is the first candle, this is second candle, and this is third candle of after in this pullback. This is the last green candle. Okay, then fair value gap here will be from this point to this point up to the tip of third candle. This is the fair value gap. And one more example we will take of fair value gap. Here the fair value gap is from this tip to this tip of the wick. First candle, second candle, and third candle. This is our first candle, this is second candle, and this is third candle. Here the first candle is green one, and here the first candle is red one. The gap in between the wick of the first candle and the wick of the third candle, if it is there, then this is called fair value gap. Suppose the wick of this candle is up to that height and there is no gap, then we will try to find out the fair value gap here. But here also there is no gap, then we will take the next one, this and this candle. Then this will be first candle, this will be third candle. This is the fair value gap. I am going to mark it. Yes, that one. And how we will use it in the binary trading? It should not be mitigated. Suppose mitigation means if the wick of this candle touches this fair value gap or approaches up to that point, then this will be mitigated fair value gap, and we will not use that to take the trade. We will not consider it. Here you see there is a very good fair value gap from this candle to this candle, and it is still not touched by any candle, by the wick or by the body, etc. It is still not touched, and the trend is downtrend. Here the trend is downtrend. So this is very important fair value gap for us by the binary trading point of view. And let us see what happened there. Candle is approaching but still not touched. Maintain your patience until it do not touch. There is no need to place the trade. It may be harmful for our pocket. Okay, still not touched. Okay, here it is also important to see the reaction of the market, the reaction of the candle. Market is trying to approach the fair value gap, but sellers are restricting it. It means this is very important fair value gap, and it will give us 100% one seller candle. Okay, okay. Maintain patience. Still not touched. Yeah, it is just touched. But we will place trade on the line or above the line. Yeah, I have placed, but still there is mistake. I lost my patience, which is not good for the health of pocket. Okay, friends, here we have seen that sellers were present there. They were restricting the candle to reach that fair value gap. This is very important to note. This is very important to note, and it will make this sure shot 100% if we will consider that. Okay, we won that. Next candle will also go down. Yes, deep in. Here, this is round number of 800, which is creating problem. Okay, good. We can take one more trade. Oh, what if this is gap down, and on the round number, I think this trade is in danger because this gap down, and because of this round number 800, this may be loss because here the market came down on this round number, and it came to make it support and made it support. This is pure loss, bro. It is my own mistake, and a bit silly mistake also. We can count it as silly mistake. Being human, I can also commit errors, but be aware of these errors. Next may also go down, but yes, this is downtrend, friends. How it is downtrend? Let us see the structure of the market here. Market was coming from this like that and here, and still the market is in between this interval until it do not cross that line. It will not be uptrend. Till then it is downtrend, bro. So we will not take the buy trade here. This is not the These are lines are not the lines of fair value gap. I will explain why I have taken here this trade. Let it be over. Yes. Why I took that trade, the sell trade here. Here, bro, again, see whether there is fair value gap or not. Yes, there is fair value gap. And where it is, as this is downtrend, we have discussed here, this is downtrend. Still here also it is downtrend. It will be downtrend until it will not cross this line. And you see there is a little very small gap in between the wick of this candle and this third candle here. So as the market reached this point, I placed sell trade here, and I won also won that trade. Okay, now let us check it for another opportunity. One more thing here to note about the fair value gap. Bro, see carefully, this is also a fair value gap, but it is a mitigated fair value gap. Here there is, this gap is in between these two candles. Which one the candles? This first candle, or you may take that one also, this candle and this candle. This is gap and this is fair value gap, but it is already mitigated, so we will not consider it this fair value gap to take trade. It should be quite version fair value gap, only then we will consider it to take trade. Okay, let us see here. Yeah, there is gap. Yes, there is also very small gap, only equal to the width of this line. It is there, very thin hairline fair value gap, and these gaps work very beautifully. Small gaps work very beautifully, friends. Don't forget to avail these opportunities. Here also our trend is still downtrend, and I am waiting for the market to reach that fair value gap which I have just marked here. You may see that lines are overlapping because of their width. Its width is nearby the width of hairline fair value gap. It is. With patience, wait, yes. Oh, I failed to place the trade on the line, but actually the trade should not be placed on that candle. It should be placed on the next candle, next one candle. But the experience will teach you that then you can also place the trade on that candle also. Make practice, gain experience, then it will also be feasible for you people to place trade like that. Yeah, we have one that. Yes, it should be placed on that candle, but should be on the line, not below the line. Be careful for that precaution, and to check or judge the candle reaction. Candle reaction will tell you, will give us a clear cut confirmation whether that fair value gap will work or not. If there will be seller's pressure, then it will work certainly. In 95% cases, it will work beautifully. But if there will not be presence of sellers, then don't place trade. It is a caution. Okay. Okay, friends. This video was totally on the basis of ICT concept, fair value gap. We can take nearly 90% win ratio if we will follow all the rules to use the fair value gap. And still, if there is any confusion, then you may contact me via Telegram, and I will discuss your queries and clear the things. And with the request, if you liked that, then please share and subscribe too. See you